Hello investors, this is a Manicured Maintenance by Roger J. McCulloch, Christy Haynes, Melissa Chicola, Lacey Anderson, and Ryan DeToller. Our idea is to open a one-stop shop that includes an automotive service garage with car detailing included, a salon, and a play area for children. We realize that there will be several competitors in each of those areas. A manicured maintenance will fall into three separate industries: auto mechanic, car wash/auto detailing, and hair and nail salon. Plus, it will include a play area for our customers' children, and this will be included as an added benefit to our business. However, this is how we are different. A manicured maintenance is unique within the industry because this is the first time an automotive garage with car detailing included, a hair salon, and a play area for children has been combined into one. These are a few of the industry details. Since our company is unique with many different industries, I will explain them individually. Auto repair. In 2016, the industry generated an annual revenue of $63 billion, with an annual growth of 3.1%. It employs roughly 570,000 individuals, and it has grown steadily over the past 5 years. Car detailing. This industry has had a steady recovery since the economic crash in 2008, and in 2016 the industry generated an annual revenue of $10 billion, with an annual growth of 3.1%. Plus, it employs roughly 200,000 individuals. Hair salon. In 2016, the industry generated an annual revenue of $20 billion, with an annual growth rate of 3.2%. The hair salon industry is constantly growing, and even in recessions. Our biggest competitors are going to be car dealerships, automotive service shops, car detailing businesses, and hair salons in the area. The advantage we have over the competition is that this is a one-stop shop for these services, and they can all be done at the same place. Our direct competitors, while there are no direct competitors, each service of our business is situated in its own industry. While there are current companies that focus on each solely, our one-stop shop is hard to compete with. Barriers to entry for our business are very low. Each service that we offer can be replicated by others, although there are no true market leaders in any of the industries that we fall into. There are many hair salons, repair and detailing shops, and childcare programs, so the market is split among the many businesses that operate in the industry. Because barriers are low, there is a high risk that another startup can enter the industry. However, the combination we have created is robust and not as easily matched. The major challenge we face is obtaining a customer base. In the automotive industry, and especially with hair salons, customers are very loyal, and by staying true to our form, our plan is to overcome these minor obstacles one by one. The best competitive advantage that we have over the competitors is that we provide multiple services all at one place, one of which is a daycare for children, while the other services are being provided. This will be appealing to our target market of single parents. The daycare aspect of our business is a huge benefit for the customers. The continued development of competencies is to ensure that our business is always moving forward. We will devote ourselves to becoming members of individualized communities for each of our service industries. We will attend shows, expos, and pay the price to have new strategies and technologies implemented within our business. This will further hinder the chance of other businesses imitating our company. By continuing the development of our competencies, we will grow them as well by increasing the amount of competencies we hold. We strongly believe that philanthropy and care for our environment should be at the top of our priorities. Therefore, we hope in the future to partner with an organization or cause to be strategically aligned with our core competencies to make it known that we care. Our customers will be given the chance to donate to and know that their everyday business support causes close to our hearts as well. For single parents or parents, who wouldn't love the availability of taking their child with them to the car garage or hair salon? Our company provides a commodity that allows single parents or parents to let their children play in a safe, secure, and designated location while they are being provided with services from both the hair salon and car departments. Each of our services has their own target markets. The repair and detailing shop target those people between the ages of 16 to 90 who value the upkeep and appearance of their vehicles and who have limited time to do it themselves. Our salon targets mostly women who hold an interest in fashion and their personal appearance. The daycare service targets parents who are in need of childcare without having to hire a babysitter. All of these subgroups are targeted by our businesses as a whole because everything they need is provided within one place. I would like to thank you for taking the time to view our presentation that describes in full the potential to make a manicured maintenance part of your portfolio of investments. We ensure you will not be disappointed and will receive your portion back in a timely manner, and that your investment will continue to grow well into the future. Thank you once again and have a great day.